Okay, here we go. People ask me all the time, Chef, what do you use a cleaver for? Well, this is just that recipe right here. I've got a large chicken. Yeah, I'm being very careful not to get the juice all over the place. I'll show you what I got here. This is a big bird. This is about a 5.5 pounder. Wow, look at that thing. It's huge. So it's easier to use a cleaver than anything else to cut this bird up. Here we go. You want to start right here like this, down the breastbone. Okay, we're going to go right down the middle. You can see how easy that was, right? Open it up. Remove the backbone. We're not going to cook the backbone today. We're going to use the backbone for stock or soup another day. So I want to remove this baby, okay? Yep. Okay, goes right through. That's a big bird. That's why it took a little time. Notice I've got part of my mise en place happening right here. Plastic bag. Backbone goes in the bag, goes in the freezer. Wow, you're learning. Okay, now I got 2 half chickens. They're very big. Continuing with part 2, I've washed and sanitized my cleaver. I like to store it in this handy little knife guard. Yeah, knife guard. You gotta love it. You score it right there at the sponsor. Just put that in the little search engine and you'll get it right there. Okay, so I'm done with the cleaver for now. I got this awesome 8-cut chicken. It's looking good. I got this backbone. This is going in the freezer. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook this chicken. This is a recipe I've been doing for decades. It's very simple. Okay, large mixing bowl. You got to have one. All the chicken goes in the mixing bowl. Just like that. So easy. Okay, what do we got here? First ingredient, soy sauce. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce on the chicken. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Garlic. Oh yeah, fresh chopped garlic. Yeah, here we go. We're going to go with 2 tablespoons of garlic. Yeah, the peelings of an orange. I'm not wasting a whole orange on this chicken. I'm using part of it, the peelings. It's exactly what I'm looking for. I want to rub it in there really, really good. Get all that flavor in there. I'm going to go with about a teaspoon of black pepper here. Just like that. Oh yeah, one of my go-tos is definitely going to be rosemary. And I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons of rosemary. Yeah, generous amount like that. Okay, another thing I like to use, if you watch the recipes, herbs de Provence. There's a lot of good stuff going on in there. Shallots, oregano, thyme, all kinds of cool stuff happening there. You can score the spices at your sponsor right there. Anyway, this is looking really good. Soy sauce, garlic, orange chicken. Yeah, why not? A dash more. Okay. It's real simple. It goes on the grill. When it's done on the grill, I'm using a 2-part system here. This is the right way to do this, okay? This is a chafing dish pan. 12 by 18 with a drop-in rack. All the chicken's going on here. We're going to slow cook it. After we get it on the grill, I'll be back. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Okay, this chicken's been smoking over oak and cherry for about 30 minutes. And now we're going to put it back into the marinade like this. Oh yeah, looking good, and we're going to toss it around. Okay, just like that. Next step. By the way, the bird in the background is a giant male cardinal. Let's finish this up. It's going right in the bottom of this pan, looking really good. I'm going to spread it around, make sure these large pieces are all evenly distributed there. Okay. Clean as you go. Don't forget my tips here. Maple kills germs. There will be no germs or bacteria here within 1 hour. Kills germs. Yeah. Okay. You can see I've got some of my basic mise en place done here. 1, 2, 3 like this. Oh yeah. Be right back. Okay, and now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, and I'm going to put 2 cups of water. Just like this. Oh, hotel pan, chafing dish pan, look at that, perfect cover. I'm going to bake this at 350 for about another 20 minutes or so until I believe it's done. I'll be back. Okay. Here comes the chicken. I want to show this to you. Oh yeah. Smells really good. Wow, look at that. So it takes a little time to make it like this, but wow, it smells so good. Large pot of mushroom rice. There we go. Put some of that rice right in the center of the plate with a few of these mushrooms, just like that. Okay, we're going to put one of these breasts right on top here like this. Got to have some of this awesome juice going on like this. I've got a piece of the peel right there. Looks really, really nice on the plate. Yeah, a little sloppy. That's okay. Looking for the juice of flavor. And of course, I've got this orange garnish that we made earlier. We'll put a few of these around the plate like this. So that's it right there. That is the video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll be back with some more recipes. This is going to be really, really good. I want to give you a close-up of it. Yeah, great flavors going on here. I can smell it already. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and support your sponsors. Most of all, get cooking and have a beautiful day. Marinated beef sirloin, beef flavored fettuccine, julienne carrots, grilled tomato, and fresh herbs. Thank you for watching the presentation. Once again, you can subscribe right there. Click that little button there. get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, you gotta have that. Extra thick maple edge grain. Maple end grain. Cherry end grain.